Today I'm taking a look at the Bauihr SWDR60. That's cool. Actually comes with a case. And there it is. So you can see we got our display there. We got lasers on both sides. We got the laser button, function record, off, clear, left and right. On the top we got a USB-C port to charge it. Oh, that's cool. It's actually magnetic. Neat. That's cool. And we got our USB-A to USB-C cord. We got our manual. And that actually is in color. So to power it on, we just press the on button for 2 seconds. Wow, look at that display. Oh, that's cool. That is actually, it's actually a level as well. That is a really nice display. Oh, that's neat. Look at that. So I can use it in different orientations and I can still read it. That is awesome. Cool. So we got our power indicator on the top. We've got the units. So if we want to change from meters, we just hold this for 2 seconds. Now we're in inches. That's another way of reading it. So we got feet and inches. Feet. And then back to meters. So the main difference between these ones that all say meters is just where the decimal place is. So depending on how large of a room, you might need to change that. So if we want to put this up against a wall and we want to measure the distance from the wall to the other wall, we can set the reference. So you can see right here at the top, it's going to be measuring from this side that direction. So it's going to add the length of this meter in that equation. If we press it again, you can see now it is measuring from the front. So if we wanted to measure from here, we could place it like that. We'll measure from the front. And with that is measuring left and right, so we just place this in the middle of the room and it will give us that reading. So if we don't want this screen to rotate, all we would do is we would press this button and hold it for 2 seconds. Now it's locked, and then we can rotate it in whatever orientation it will stay there. So that way if we know we want to look at it like this, but we need to have it in a weird angle, we can do that. So if we want to get a measurement, we can see right now the laser is on, so we can use that to pinpoint exactly where we're going to be hitting. And then when we hit the button again, so we are currently, wow, 20 feet exactly for this room. That's kind of amazing. Now if we want to add that measurement, we can hit add. Now you can see we added the old measurement to the new measurement and we got 37.38. Right now we got a plus. If we want to change that, we can actually subtract. Pretty cool. And then function record. Oh, cool. So if we want to measure the distance from one spot on the wall to another spot on the wall, so without using the Pythagorean theorem, we can go to that. So now we're going to measure the distance of one wall. Now we'll measure the distance of the other wall. There we go. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or we can just use this to do the whole thing for us. And if we press function record for 2 seconds, we can see all of our previous measurements. If we want to turn it off, we just press and hold off. That's that. It will automatically turn off by itself in 3 minutes. So yeah, that is an awesome little machine.